Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to get Mailchimp API key. You first come here and log in to Mailchimp and come here at the top right, click on your profile icon and then click on profile. Now I know this may be a little bit out of the way, so you might have trouble finding it, but all you need to do here on your profile is come here and hover over this extra section, click on it, and then you'll see API keys, right? So go ahead and click on API keys. And then we'll scroll down. So here we go. We see our API keys. I currently don't have one, so I'll go ahead and create one in front of you right now. So click on create a key. And all you need to do is give a key name, right? API key name just for descriptive purposes so you know which application uses that key. Maybe Salesforce. Okay. So you can go ahead and put that in and then just click on a generate key right here. So this is the key, guys. Make sure you don't share this with other people. Be very, very careful. You can copy this to your clipboard and use it. And it's really that easy and simple.